I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the primary Mychart account. Sign in now and confirm the profile details match the linked account you plan to add. Once signed in, navigate to Settings or Account Tools. Make sure two-factor authentication is available. You'll need the secondary account's exact name and DOB and the authentication code if enabled. Don't pause, collect credentials, and keep your phone nearby so you can respond to verification prompts without breaking the flow. You now add the secondary chart. Choose Link a Chart or Manage Connections in the Settings menu. Enter the other person's legal name, date of birth, and relationship. This is how Mychart matches records. Next, provide the email, phone, or medical record number if prompted. Accuracy matters. Once submitted, Mychart will trigger a verification, either a code sent to that account or security questions. You must complete that verification to prove access and establish the link. Stay ready for the code. Finish by reviewing profiles or linked accounts to confirm both charts appear and data is visible at the expected access level. Once linked, immediately set sharing permissions and proxy roles so you only see what you need. Make adjustments in account settings. If verification fails, request a new code and retry. Make sure the DOB and spelling exactly match the other chart. If problems persist, contact the portal's support team with the MRN and the secondary account's identifying info to resolve mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.